Draw a circle. Hatch it. Set their speed to 1000. The power to 70%. Then we check the continuous part option. Lift the lead head to its highest position. Then we put a stainless sheet on the bottom plate. Then we click mark. Then we put on the goggles. Slowly move the lead head downwards and observe the change of lead energy on the metal plate. Now we can see the lead beam. The leader becomes stronger and stronger when we move the lead head downwards. Continue to move the lead head downwards. The leader becomes weaker and weaker, so we need to raise the lead head upward. We can stop moving the lead head when the leader is brightest and the sound is loudest. Then we find the focal length.